IIT Roorkee providing summer internship. This is paid internship and you all can apply. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. So IIT Roorkee is providing summer internship program, and here you can also get rupees 2500 per week if you got selected for this internship. This internship is also a national and also for international students, and applications for both the national and international students are open and you all can apply before of 10th March. So what is the program objective and why IIT Roorkee providing this internship? You can see on the screen to attract the nature talented undergraduate students from IIT Roorkee as well as from the all over country. The eligibility criteria you can see on the screen. Students currently enrolled in educational institutes and pursuing undergraduate degree and have completed 2 semesters. And CGPA for the open students for other institutes is greater than 8.5 for this internship, and from IITs 7.5, and for other government engineering institutes it is 8.0. And if you are from other institutes, so you need 8.5. So these are all the eligibility criteria for this internship. Now the guidelines and the rules. So here you can just log in and register for this internship. How you can do, I am going to show you in this video. And also you need your resume, your current photograph, and also you need to write 500 words in your research statement why you want this internship. And also application need to mention names of 5 faculty members of your college. So these are the 2 things, and there are more guidelines. These are the important guidelines which I mentioned here. And also if you are from the other college not from IIT Roorkee, then you also need no objection certificate from your parents, and I recommend you all to read all the guidelines before applying for this internship. So now I am going to show you how to register for this internship. You can see at the above there is a login option, and also here above it is written Spark International, Spark National. When you tap on Spark National, this is for the students of India in Indian universities, and you can apply from here and you can register. And if you are from international universities, you can just go for Spark International and register for this. Then now here you can see register here option. When you tap on this, now I just tap here, there is an option of login and also for sign up if you are new on this platform. And here you can see there is a registration form where you need to fill some basic information which you easily can. Only name, email, gender, contact number, college, department, and your country is required, and also your CGPA. And you need to set your password on your own. And after signing in this, you need to log in and just apply for this Spark Foundation internship. And this is a project based internship, so you need to select some projects also, and you need to upload all the relevant documents which I mentioned earlier. So this is all about summer internship from IIT Roorkee. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe our channel.